With its driver-driven inside and well-proportioned outside, the 2018 Alfa Romeo Giulia is shapely and unique. Styling is one of the 2018 Alfa Romeo Giulia's strong points, so we've given it 2 focuses for the way fashioners have penned an outside that emerges from the group. And we barely grant another for its unmistakable, however clean inside. That conveys the Giulia to a 8 out of 10. We'd expect nothing less given this four-entryway was outlined in Milan, the world's design capital. Indeed, even the base Giulia is a looker with its 17-inch haggles shape. In spite of the way Alfa Romeo has adjusted off what others would complete with edges, the Giulia doesn't feel weary or excessively curvaceous, as though that were a thing. In advance, its Mark Shield grille is very much coordinated and is flanked by standard HID or discretionary LED headlights that aren't unreasonably occupied in their execution. At the back, the Giulia's thin taillights aren't so unique in relation to what we've seen on different autos, yet they look so much better here. The sport package that is discretionary with the 2.0-liter motor has its own outside appearance in addition to some extraordinary completes inside. Alfa offers various wheel sizes, plans, and completes, and we don't believe there's a monstrous one in the group. Expanding on the sport package, the Giulia Quadrifoglio is undeniably evil, particularly from the back, where its quadchrome tailpipes help everybody behind to remember its goals. Inside, the Giulia isn't exactly as exceptional, notwithstanding when furnished with discretionary Nappa calfskin and one of a few trim completes, a couple of woods, aluminum, and even carbon fiber. The Giulia's dash is all business in a way that is more BMW than it is Alfa, yet most controls are exhibited about where we'd hope to discover them. That is a major change in the course of the last conservative car Alfa sold here, the Milano, which had window switches situated on its main event. Without a doubt,